how to remove added favorites on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. And now here in settings and privacy, you can see here the preferences. Okay, you can see here the content preferences. You can tap this. And now you can see here in content preferences the favorites. Here in favorites, you can see the friend or page add to your favorites. So you can tap this and now you can show the friend or page added to your Facebook account. To remove the friend and page added to your favorites on Facebook, okay, you'll have to do is here my friend Riding Kabili. So to remove this, okay, you'll have to do is tap the three dot on the right side of this. And the pop-up are show. And you can tap or select the remove from favorites. Okay, you can tap this to remove the friend. And also, I remove this Facebook page. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the three dot on the right side of this page. And the pop-up below are show again. And tap the remove from favorites. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully removed added favorites on Facebook account. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.